Hello everyone, this is Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and I am gonna try something new and share it with you guys. So today we are making potato stuffed patties at home, and I am making this with the help of sheet what you get in the market from the supermarket. So I've already made one video in which I told you which kind of sheet it is. So it is Blätterteig sheet which you can get from any supermarket, and it is in the particularly pizza section, so you can check it out. Now to start with the making process, you have to open the sheet and cut into the long slices. Now make the shape of the patty. So you can also use the rectangular shape and triangular shape or however you want. Then fill it with the potato filling, and I have made some cuts on the top of it so that the potatoes inside it would also be baked. So now we have to just put these patties into the oven and it would be ready in just 10 minutes. And just make sure then when you are keeping them in the oven, so keep them only for the minute for how much time it is written on the cover. So this is how it was looking. It is coming out so good. And make sure to close the patties from all the sides so that it will not open when it is baking. And also don't forget to refer my previous video where I told you guys how to make Indian puffs for tea time snacks using the same sheet. So guys, make them at home and let me know in the comments how will it come. Have a nice Sunday. I will meet you guys once again tomorrow with new German vocab video. And for now, auf Wiedersehen and bis morgen everyone.